How to add a one-tap contact call to Android Auto Launcher on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connected Devices. Now here scroll down and click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, so click on Customize Launcher. So you will see Customize Launcher is here, so click on Customize Launcher. Now here, so click on Launcher thing. So you will select from here, so click on add a shortcut to the launcher. So you will select an assistant action and click on call a contact. So you will select contact, so you will see you will add from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add one tap contact call to Android Auto Launcher on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.